Today I'm going to show you how you can trade on Axiom the new Robinhood Chain meme coins. Right? Let's dig into the platform. It's a meme coin trading platform, as you can already see. It has multiple options. It's usually coming from the Solana space, but they are fast to adopt. Has multiple ways to log in. Either you create a new profile, you can go with Google, and you can go also with your Phantom wallet. Let's go for myself with Google. You just simply log in, click through the things, give it the permission. You wait a bit, and we give it some permissions here for using our name, profile, and email for creating an account, which is perfectly fine for myself. For more privacy, you can obviously use a crypto wallet, which is not identified to your email. Also recommended. Oh yeah, obviously, right? Because if you see that I tried to sign in, but I had to fully sign up because this email does not have an account yet. Yeah, exactly. Because as I mentioned, it's more recommended to use a wallet for privacy reasons, obviously. So here you go. Using Google, since you already gave it permission, it was easier. Authenticating and creating our account for us. Now we got it. It tries to onboard us. Here you will see your key. I will reveal it. If you try to use it later on, it will be empty. So don't use it. Don't waste your time. Yeah, there's the other tutorial explaining you how to use things. It can be embedded, has an extension, you can trade with friends, etc., etc. So it gives you a quick, nice onboarding. You can watch it if you want to. It's pretty extensive. We also have some more tutorials on that. Let's skip it for now to show you how you can actually start trading. Right, you can deposit directly. You see USDT, Solana, right, other chains and possibilities, and to see the Robinhood meme coins like we discussed it, right? You go on pulse, right? You click those away, and then you will only see the Robinhood chain. All the coins, all the new coins being created, older coins already with some volume, new and older coins with a big volume, which are working good. You can either directly buy or you can just visit the coins and then do buy and sell amounts here. As you know, Robinhood Chain works with Ethereum. So either you fund Ethereum or you use Solana and then it auto bridges. It's pretty smart. It's still called axiom.trade. I will leave a referral code in the description. Make sure to use that to save money on all your trades. You will save actual money there. I will also earn a bit, to be fair, right? But not from your pocket, but from Axiom's pocket. So make sure to use it to save some money. Have fun and much success. As you see, if you're early enough, you know, down here, for example, let's give you an example. People buying in here at like 30K. Now it's like at 50. Like easy 3 or 4x in a couple of hours. So yeah, good luck.